In this video, I will show you how to spend money on Afterpay. So let's start. Once you're logged in, you can browse different brands and categories to find what you want to buy. When you find a product you like, tap on it. Afterpay will open that store's website inside the app. You'll see the Afterpay button at the bottom of the screen. Add your item to the cart and start the checkout process. When you reach the payment section, select Afterpay as your payment method instead of a credit card. Afterpay will then pay the full amount to the store right away, so you receive your item on time. You don't pay the full amount up front. Instead, Afterpay splits your purchase into 4 equal payments. These payments are automatically deducted from the card you link to your Afterpay account. You can view your active orders, upcoming payments, and payment history in the Orders section of the app. Each time you make a payment, your available spending limit updates, allowing you to make new purchases. And that's how you spend money using Afterpay Buy Now. Get your item immediately and pay it off later in 4 simple installments.